Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will unbox quite unique model that was naturally aged. I have called it Land Rover. In past, it was Italian, Bburago, Land Rover Freelander in 1/24 scale. But now, after spending more than 10 years on the bottom of the lake, it got its natural camouflage. Looks like that wheels were eaten by fish. Not only it has dirt and algae stains, but also, whole area of model metal parts are covered in corrosion bubbles. Have to be very careful. No dead bodies were found inside, but there was one of the wheels. I think that this model should remain as it is, because restoration will be pointless. This example is perfect for creating diorama of sunken car recovery. Hope that you liked this video. See you soon.